Good day, everyone. We are the Group 67. Today, we'll discover how something incredibly small can be a huge difference in our daily lives. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is the science and engineering of materials at nanoscale, which ranges from 1 to 100 nanometers. To give you an idea, 1 nanometers is 1 billionth of a meter. At this tiny scale, materials can have unique properties such as being stronger, lighter, or more effective than ordinary materials. Unlike traditional manufacturing that works with larger materials, nanotechnology manipulates atoms and molecules to improve products in ways that were impossible before. Nanotechnology is already present in products we use every day, such as sunscreen, smartphones, food packaging, medicine, and protective face masks. As students, especially in fields that related to science, health, engineering, and criminology, understanding nanotechnology help us appreciate how science improves safety, health, and quality of life. Our featured product is the Nano Silver Antibacterial Face Mask. Face masks became essential during the COVID-19 pandemic. Scientists improved ordinary face masks by adding nanoparticles, creating masks that provide better protection against harmful microorganisms. Silver has been known for centuries for its antibacterial properties, though nanotechnology, silver particles became much smaller, increasing their surface area and making them more effective at stopping bacteria and some other microorganisms.
Nanotechnology. The nanotechnology used in this product is called silver nanoparticles. These tiny particles are embedded into the mask fabric because they are extremely small. They interact more effectively with bacteria. Silver nanoparticles damage bacterial cell walls and interfere with normal function, helping prevent bacterial growth on the surface of the mask. This means the mask stays cleaner for the longer compared to ordinary cloth mask while still allowing comfortable airflow. Next is I will demonstrate showing the ordinary mask and the nano silver mask. I don't have the original or ordinary mask, but I have here the nano silver mask. But both protects us from dust and droplets, but the nano silver mask has an extra layer of protection because of its antibacterial nanotechnology. The nanosilver mask is designed to reduce bacterial growth on the fabric, help minimize unpleasant odors, be more durable after repeated use depending on the manufacturer's instruction, and provide comfortable protection for daily activities. This makes it useful for students, workers, healthcare professionals, and anyone who wants added hygiene.
Nanotechnology benefits many people, including students, workers, healthcare professionals, and families. Its applications go beyond face masks. Nanotechnology is also used in medicine for drugs delivery, electronics for smaller and faster devices, food packaging to improve food preservation, water purification systems, and even crime investigation through advanced sensors and forensic technologies. This shows how scientific innovation continues to improve everyday life and solve real-world problems. So, what are the benefits? First, it helps reduce bacterial